And again, revisiting the car I started building 10 years ago. So you'll remember on the last video I touched on this mess over here. Didn't quite mention the state of the gauges for the air ride and the fact the whole dashboard doesn't really fit at the bottom. So first things first, I need to figure out something better than running airline down there into manual gauges, and then we'll go from there. So the plan is to take this cheap little gauge that reads air pressures and put that into there, and I have another one of these built for just that purpose. But the fun is more wiring, because I've got to get it all the way down the centre console to the back. Now I've got to just sit here with all these wires, my little bits of tapey tape, and stick it together every 6 inches. Right, so I've pulled out the centre dash again. You can see where I've tied up all the wiring. And this is the gauge pod that I've got here. I'm not going to actually run the wires that I've just spent like 2 hours taping up, because I need to move the air system around first. So we'll just see how the gauge pod looks in here. There she goes. Right, so ultimately it's going to eventually look like that, which I think is a lot better compared to that. And the other reason I haven't done more today is because apparently it's going to rain soon. But you know, progress is progress.